Welcome to Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we are going to explore some tricky words that might trip you up. First up, we have the element sulfur. Now, this one can be tricky, but don't worry, we are here to make it fun. It's spelled S-U-L-P-H-U-R, but it's pronounced sulphur. Sulphur. Can you believe it? No PH sound, just sulphur. Sulphur is also known as brimstone, a naturally occurring element that is often associated with volcanoes and fire. Imagine you're a dragon. You breathe fire, and sulphur is one of the key ingredients in your breath. But not only that, sulphur is also used in matchsticks. It helps to ignite the matchstick. So, next time you're at a science class or just showing off your smarts, you will be able to impress everyone with your perfect pronunciation and dragon-like knowledge. Let's practice together and say it like a pro. Sulphur, sulphur, sulphur. But don't worry if you still can't get it right. Sulphur doesn't mind. It's still the same element, and you're still a dragon at heart. Here is a sentence example. The pungent, choking smell of sulphur filled the air. Next, we have the delicious and beloved beverage, coffee. Did you know that coffee is believed to have originated from Ethiopia, and it's one of the most widely consumed beverages in the world? Now, you might think it's pronounced coffee because of the way it's spelled, but it's actually pronounced coffee. Coffee. So, the next time you are at your local coffee shop, don't be afraid to show off your fancy pronunciation skills and order your coffee like a pro. Let's practice together. Let's all say it loud and proud. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Here is a sentence example. This coffee is not hot enough. Before we get to our last word, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we release a new episode. Your support helps us continue bringing you fun and interactive ways of learning new words. Finally, we have the mysterious Ogham. Ogham. This is an ancient Irish alphabet, and it's pronounced Ogham. Not Ogham or Ogham, just Ogham. But Ogham is not only an alphabet, it's also a secret code. Imagine you and your friends are on a treasure hunt and you found an ancient stone with Ogham inscription. You're the only one who can read it and solve the clue. How cool is that? Let's give it a try together and decode the secret message. Ogham. Ogham, Ogham. Don't be discouraged if you can't read it right away. Ogham is a tricky one, but with practice, you will be able to decode any secret message in no time. Here is a sentence example. His paintings mix and match the Ogham symbols for these words. That's it for this video, folks. We hope you enjoyed and had fun learning the correct pronunciation and meaning of these tricky words. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Words Well Read. Thanks for watching.